Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard techno kick. First, select a clean sine wave or a basic kick drum sample as your foundation. Next, layer a short, punchy transient on top to give it an immediate attack. Then, we'll apply distortion and saturation to introduce harmonic richness and grit, crafting that powerful, driving sound characteristic of hard techno. This method is designed for quick and effective results. Now let's shape the sound. Apply a short decay envelope to your sine wave, aiming for a duration of around 100 to 200 milliseconds to achieve a tight, impactful punch. Next, adjust the pitch envelope to create a quick downward sweep, which adds a satisfying thump to your kick. Finally, filter out any unwanted low-end rumble below 30 Hz to ensure clarity. To achieve that signature hard techno grit, we'll add distortion and saturation. Use a hard clipping or overdrive effect to introduce aggressive harmonics and a powerful edge. Then, apply saturation to glue your kick layers together, adding warmth and density. Experiment with various distortion types, like tube or tape saturation, to discover unique textures and find the perfect character for your track. For the final touches, let's refine your kick. Boost frequencies around 60 to 80 Hz by about 3 to 6 decibels for a powerful sub-bass impact. Compress the kick with a fast attack and release to control dynamics and increase its perceived loudness. Optionally, add a subtle, short reverb or a very short delay to give your kick a sense of space without losing its punch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.